Hey guys, I am back with another video from my Addicted Blogging channel. In this video, we will talk about the things which are not so good in the Notify app. So this video will be a sick video guys as always, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon because I will be making more videos like this. The Notify app adds great features to your already present Amazfit watches, which is why the Notify app can be a great alternative to the already present Zape app, which is the official app of the Amazfit watches. It adds so many features, so many functions more than the Zape app, and it has a lot of things which are really good in the Notify app which are not there in the Zape app. So you can check my other videos to know about the tips and tricks you can perform with the Notify app. Now let's see what are the things which I don't like about the Notify app. So first of all, let's come to the UI and design, and here you can see a lot of difference between the Zape app and the Notify app. Design elements in the Notify app are not that much great according to me, because you are not getting the readings and everything in an organized manner. You can see the design look lackluster and the design doesn't go with the tone of the watch. So here the Notify app really lacks with the Zape app. You will get all the information in the Zape app in an organized manner, and it can definitely tell you a lot more about your health and about your activities by the first glance than the Notify app. And also it will show you the data in an organized way, which is not there in the Notify app. The Notify app is designed for a lot of models of the Amazfit watches, including Amazfit GTS to Mini, Amazfit GTS, and newer models like the Amazfit T-Rex and Amazfit T-Rex Pro. So here with the Amazfit GTS to Mini, we can see a lot of functions are not working. So here is a dedicated function called button in the Notify app. If we go to the button, you can see that you can do a lot of things with this option of button, but none of the options are working on this Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. There is an option to play, pause music and go to the next music track, but if you enable this and play some music track also, it will not work it seems, because these are configured for the models like Amazfit T-Rex and T-Rex Pro, not for Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. So some of the features like this are not working for Amazfit GTS 2 Mini and Amazfit GTS watches, which are designed for only high-end Amazfit watches like T-Rex Pro and T-Rex, which has dual button functionalities. So these things you have to keep in mind in the Notify app, because all the features may not work if you are using the Notify app as your default app for Amazfit watch. The third thing which I don't like about the Notify app is the weird watch faces. Yes, there are a lot of watch faces you can install for your Amazfit GTS 2 Mini or other Amazfit watches, but there are really watch faces which are not properly designed and also looks a little weird when you apply them on your watch. So some of the watch faces, first of all, are duplicate watch faces with different language. Also, if you apply them, they will be with the same language, that is English or other languages. So this is really weird for the Notify app. So there is a watch face like this in the Notify app, and if you apply, you can see these small trailing lines in the watch face. So this type of watch faces are non-applicable for the Amazfit watches, and if you apply all the watch faces, you will be able to note that some watch faces are really weird. So that thing you need to keep in your mind if you are using the Notify app. The fourth thing which is not good in the Notify app is the double notifications. So if you are using both the apps for your Amazfit watch, make sure you go to the notification of your Zape app and disable all the app alerts from here, because otherwise you will receive dual notifications on your phone, which will mess up with your watch and also your phone. So make sure you have disabled the notifications from Zape app and some of the other features which are same in both the apps. So although Notify app has its own issues, but Notify app also adds a lot of functionality in the watch and a lot of features which are not there in the Zape app. So from getting a WhatsApp missed call notification to adding a lot of watch faces for your Amazfit watches is what you will only get if you install the Notify app. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon, because I will be bringing more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.